Hey, I'm Liam from QIS Packaging, and in this video, I'm going to take you over the range of heat sealing machines available at QIS. Towards the end, I'll also show you how to get 15% off your order. Heat sealers are very simple to use. Place your bag across the strip, lower the handle, and apply pressure. It's that simple. They're also a much more secure method than using staples, twist ties, or press seal bags. They feature a heated bar on a hinge that's perfectly designed to seal plastic packaging using heat and pressure. They can heat seal bags up to 150 thick, and the seal itself is only 2.4 millimeters wide. They're ideal for retailers all the way up to industrial sized businesses who want to seal anything from food to products that have an unconventional shape or size. In total, there are 11 different options and 7 different sizes to choose from. Our heat sealers range from 200 mils wide all the way up to a meter. 4 of our heat sealers even come with cutters for when you want to neatly dispose of extra material. QIS also sells the repair kits individually. They feature 2 extra heating elements and 2 replacement strips of Teflon tape, meaning you can easily extend the life of your heat sealer without having to purchase a whole new unit. Because we import all our products directly from the manufacturer, we're able to offer them at great wholesale prices to all our customers. At QIS, we pride ourselves on customer satisfaction and fast delivery. That's why once your order is processed, it takes just 1 business day to Brisbane and Sydney and 2 business days to Melbourne. As I said at the start, if you want to save 15% off your order, you'll find 2 links in the description below. The first one will take you to a 10% coupon code. The second will take you to our website, where you can sign up as a member for free and get 5% off all orders into the future.